Hey everyone, welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper. Today we're discussing a serious and often misunderstood topic: what to do during martial law. When martial law is declared, normal civil liberties are suspended, and the military takes control. It's crucial to be prepared for this kind of scenario, especially if you live in a city. We'll also share tips and tricks on barricading doors and windows, and stocking up on essential survival items like communication devices, candles, lights, and water purification tablets. So let's dive in. Martial law can be declared in response to extreme civil unrest, natural disasters, or other emergencies. In a city, this can lead to curfews, restricted movement, and limited access to essential services. Being prepared for such a scenario can help ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Let's start with some key actions to take during martial law and how to properly secure your home. Number 1, barricading doors and windows. Your home must be your fortress. Use heavy furniture to barricade doors from the inside. Secure windows with plywood or metal bars. Consider using additional locks and braces on doors to make them more difficult to breach. Remember, the goal is to deter entry and buy yourself time in case of an attempted break-in. Number 2, communication devices. Communication is key during martial law. Hand crank or battery-powered radios can keep you updated on government announcements and emergency broadcasts. Walkie-talkies are great for short-range communication with family or neighbors. Make sure your cell phones are fully charged and have backup power sources like solar chargers or power banks. Number 3, candles and lights. Power outages are common during martial law. Stock up on candles, lanterns, and LED lights. Battery-operated lights are preferable to avoid fire hazards. Make sure you have plenty of extra batteries and consider rechargeable options that can be powered by solar chargers. Number 4, food and water. Ensure you have a sufficient supply of non-perishable food items like canned goods and MREs. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. Water purification tablets are essential for making any available water safe to drink. Remember to rotate your stock to keep it fresh. Number 5, personal safety and first aid. Your safety and health are paramount. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Include prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and basic medical supplies. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures. In high-stress situations, knowing how to treat minor injuries can be life-saving. So there you have it, the essential steps to take during martial law and how to prepare your home and supplies. To recap, let's go over what we've covered. In this video, you've learned the importance of prepping for a city martial law scenario, how to properly barricade doors and windows, essential communication devices to stay informed, the importance of having candles and lights during power outages, stocking up on food, water, and water purification tablets, ensuring personal safety with first aid and medical supplies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on preparedness and survival. Share your own tips or questions about martial law preparedness in the comments below. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.